Oh, oh, oh!
Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
You're kidding me.
What a load of bullshit.
Bruh, I'm gonna shit my pants, dude.
You're under fire while I'm under pressure. This SIG is like just ruining my life, dude.
Hey, who told me that?
Walk back.
No one told me we were in a
I'm
queue.
trying. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that your job for me?
Yeah. So it's your turn to do it for me.
Ah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Did she stick the diva and run into both of us?
She stuck the diva. The diva.
Can't yell you around, you're getting too aggressive.
I don't care, dude! 6K, let's go!
I wish I could have ADHD again.
Again?
Like that kind of ADHD. Now it's just depression.
He is so right.
Who's that Honda? Do they want to die?
I want to die. No, don't.
All I hear is, oh no, don't!
Who just
It's a perfect day for some mayhem.
Hi. 안녕.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
He's top left. I can poke him.
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Top right.
Oh, nigga!
Valiant sacrifice, you know.
No, they don't. No, they don't!
Oh shit, this nigga still wanna fight? I'm gonna suck his dick. Oh, the fucking big ass dick. Our fruit ninja dead again.
I blew up Malaysia.
Oh, May's trying to get me. Yeah, I think, no, we're good.
Nope. Oh shit, dude! I set that up. Holy shit!
We're a great team.
There you go. There you go.
Have you dead?
Pika. Pika. Pika, no. Pika, please, please, please. I don't want you to get AFK kicked for like an hour.
Oh boy, jeez.
So like, I would make stupid ass noises, but because it wasn't a human voice, it would block it.
So, is that not a setting I can turn off?
Yeah, you can turn it off.
Where?
Oh, there it is. Finally!
Yo, Cree, I don't know what the fuck up type of crack you're on, bro, but like, I will actually eat your ass.
Okay, I promise I won't.
Oh my god! Oh jeez, oh my god!
I'm gonna smash her with the fucking hammer. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer.
He is dead.
Good, 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 good. Oh. Now just ask yourself, was that really worth it?
He literally kept sliding. I tried to pin him to the wall, but he kept sliding. He's literally a snail, dude. He's covered in butter. Like, what the?
Want to see something?
Yeah. Where did you go?
Up.
Do it again.
Here, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. All right.